Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hey Jane. I'm doing great.
That's good. Anything new today?
Actually, I have big news.
Really? Tell me. I'm curious.
I got the job offer.
Wow. That's amazing. Congratulations, Sarah.
Thanks. I'm really happy.
What job did you get today?
Office assistant at Green Tech Solutions.
I remember you applied last week.
Yes, they finally called me.
That's fantastic. When did they call?
Just this morning around 10 a.m.
And you accepted it right away?
Of course. I didn't even hesitate.
You deserve it, really. Well done.
Thank you. I worked really hard.
How many people applied with you?
They said 5 total, including me.
So you beat 4 others?
Yes. I couldn't believe it.
Did they tell you why?
They liked my interview answers.
What did they ask you?
Questions about teamwork and communication skills.
That's great. You're good at those.
I practiced with my cousin yesterday.
That probably helped a lot, right?
Yes, I felt confident and calm.
When do you start your job?
I start next Monday, early morning.
That's soon. Are you ready?
Almost. I need clothes first.
What clothes do you need exactly?
Office clothes, pants, skirts, and blouses.
Want to go shopping tomorrow?
Yes. I'd love to, Jane.
Great. Let's go after lunch.
Okay. I'll bring my list.
What else do you need there?
Maybe shoes and a work bag.
You want black shoes or brown?
Black. They match everything easily.
Smart choice. And the work bag?
Big enough to carry my laptop.
Will you bring lunch to work?
Maybe. I'll try both ways.
Have you told your parents yet?
Not yet. You're the first.
I feel special. Thank you, Sarah.
You are. You're my best friend.
You made my day, seriously.
Let's celebrate together this evening.
I like that idea. Where?
Maybe pizza? Or sushi, maybe?
Sushi sounds really good tonight.
Okay. I'll meet you there.
What time should we meet up?
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Perfect. I'll be on time.
I'll wear something nice today.
Me too. Let's take pictures.
Yes. I want to remember this.
So, what's your exact job title?
Office assistant at Green Tech headquarters.
Sounds very professional and important too.
It's an entry-level job, but exciting.
Everyone starts somewhere, Sarah. Good start.
I agree. I'm just thankful.
Who will you be working with?
A team of 5 other assistants.
Do you know any of them?
Not yet. I'll meet them Monday.
Nervous about meeting your coworkers?
A little, but also excited too.
I'm sure they'll like you.
I hope I make good friends.
What's the office like inside?
Clean, modern, and very well organized.
That sounds like a great environment.
Yes, and the manager was kind.
Did you meet her during interview?
Yes, she asked most questions directly.
And she liked your answers, right?
Yes, she even smiled a lot.
That's a good sign for sure.
I think she's friendly and fair.
You'll learn a lot from her.
I really hope so, Jane.
What will you do every day?
Answer calls, schedule meetings, help organize.
Do you need computer skills too?
Yes. Excel and email are important.
You're good with those already, though.
I've been practicing on my laptop.
That will help your first week.
Yes. I want to do well.
Will you take the bus there?
No, I'll take the subway daily.
Smart. It's faster during traffic hours.
And it's cheaper than driving too.
That's true. You'll save money.
I need to save a lot.
Planning something big with your savings?
Maybe a vacation next year, maybe.
That's a good goal, I think.
I'll also help my little brother.
That's kind of you, Sarah.
He needs books for school soon.
You're a great sister, really.
Thanks. I try to support him.
How old is he now?
He just turned 11 last week.
Time goes fast. I remember kindergarten.
Me too. He was so small.
He'll be proud of you now.
I'll tell him after our dinner.
Good idea. He'll be very proud.
I'll take him out this weekend.
You're always doing thoughtful things.
I believe in helping my family.
What will you wear Monday morning?
Blue blouse, black pants, and heels.
That sounds perfect and very neat.
I hope it looks professional enough.
I'm sure you'll look amazing.
Thanks. I just want confidence.
New job, new chapter in life.
Yes, I'm so ready for it.
Have you planned your first lunch?
Thinking of bringing a sandwich maybe.
Safe choice. Easy and quick too.
I'll see what others are doing.
You'll adjust quickly, I just know.
I hope I feel comfortable fast.
Just be yourself. That always works.
I'll try to stay positive daily.
That mindset will help a lot.
Thanks for always believing in me.
Of course. You do the same.
That's true. We're true friends forever.
This is only your beginning, Sarah.
I feel that too. Bright future.
You'll do great things. Just wait.
With hard work and support, yes.
You already inspire me, honestly.
That means so much. Thank you.
Now, let's celebrate your success, okay?
Yes. I'm really excited to eat.
Do you want dessert afterward too?
Yes. Ice cream or chocolate cake.
Then it's a full celebration night.
Best celebration with my best friend.
We'll take photos and post later.
Let's add fun captions to them.
New job. New dreams. Let's go.
First step to my bright future.
Those sound perfect for Instagram.
I'll tag you in each one.
I'll like and comment right away.
I feel so happy right now.
You should. This is your moment.
I'll work hard and never quit.
That's the right attitude to have.
Thanks for supporting me always, Jane.
Always, always. I'm your biggest fan.
I'm lucky to have your friendship.
Me too, Sarah. You inspire me.
Next time, we celebrate your news.
I hope I'll have news soon.
You will. Good things are coming.
Let's keep growing together, always friends.
Yes, side by side, always growing.
Ready for dinner now? I'm hungry.
Let's go. I'm starving already.
First round's on me tonight.
Okay, I'll treat next time.
Deal. Now let's enjoy everything.
Best day ever. Let's celebrate now.